On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2018 Forest River Hemisphere 368RLBHK. Are you ready for a relaxing time away from home? With 4 expanding slides that greatly increase the space, and a large rear living area, there is plenty of room to spread out and enjoy your getaway. Feeding your family and guests will be easy in this spacious kitchen, with central island and residential appliances. The chef in the family may also choose to utilize the convenient exterior kitchen. When you are ready to relax, you'll find yourself drawn to the fireplace on those chilly evenings. Your kids will surely love their own space in the bunk room, with plenty of storage for their things. The master bedroom has a custom king bed, TV and dresser, as well as a wardrobe which has been prepped for an optional washer and dryer. Inside the bathroom you'll find a tub/shower with sliding glass door, mirrored vanity and countertop sink. When you want time away from home without leaving the comforts behind, then this is the RV you want, for whenever you head out to your favorite campground. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.